Okay, guys, another case. This time a case I failed on, as always. The case of the individual semifinals from the MECC by my fellow companion and friend Tim. The issue with those cases is if I'm on stage, I fail. So next year, I hopefully will strike a deal with Loma to not be on stage, at least for the semifinals, that I can finally, after 4 years, be on in the finals of the MECC, which was an achievement I never did so far because of this stage problem. Anyways, it is, I think, a cool case. I made some crucial mistakes while being on a different setup because for example, I did not found those edgy brackets those edgy brackets on the keyboard provided, and because I made a table out of this, which makes sense. I had a problem with it. Yeah, but anyways, let's now not make tables, but create from selection and jump into the case. Name is associated with the ID, so an XLOOKUP of this in something that is called ID. Lovebird ID. The auto-completion for Excel formulas is not that great. Or the intelligent suggestions. Okay, level 1 at least solved. Yay! Lovebird ID and wingspan in inches. 1/12 in each foot. So equals. Do I have an extract number from string? But it's I could have used this. I should have used this. It's always funny to see your lambdas surprising you. Plus drop, and then drop the first column. Okay. Wing in inch. And then it's the wing minus noise level. And noise level is given, but also okay, let's use then. Okay, equals XLOOKUP for the ID in Lovebird ID, returning the wing in inch minus extract number from a string, XLOOKUP Lovebird ID, returning noise level. Okay. Okay, based on the icon, there's a given rating. I think I need to work more in this table. Wing in inch, and then noise L, extract number from a string. And that was it was good to work again with data, which we do not that often right now in Excel esports, more like maps and ugly games and stuff. So it was not bad to work with data again. SR. Split text into letters array. You also do not have to worry about, because all those are single length characters, or how should I call it? Single length symbols. And then XLOOKUP, because this was Bill, in this sheet here, returning the rating. And then we can copy this down. And sum, of course. because otherwise it will also spill. Name this SR. So rating. XLOOKUP for this in Lovebird ID returning SR. Okay. Now the algorithmic score for the Lovebird ID. And the algorithmic score is this, based on the color and the noise level factor. There's also a score factor given. And okay, sorry. So we're here at the algorithmic score. And that's crucial, I think. So length of name, or then name. Although I don't know if everything is Woodstock. Is length of name with including characters? I don't know. Including not characters, spaces. That's a bad example for this. Okay. Delete this here, clear find format. Okay. That's an issue. Well, let's assume it's with spaces. Okay. Color score factor. Basically an XLOOKUP of the color in here, returning a score, and noise level factor. So we're using here 0, 70, 90, 100, 120, and then smaller than as in lookup. So noise level score factor, XLOOKUP, and we have the noise level here. And we can then simple do a lookup for this, return the score factor, and match mode, exact match or next smaller item. And then we multiply length of name multiplied with wingspan in inches multiplied with sum ratio multiplied with this and with this, and we name it algo. Okay, XLOOKUP for this in Lovebird ID, returning algorithmic score. So far so good. Okay, 182 is wrong. Why? By factor 2. No, not 2. Why is 182 wrong? Okay, yeah. Because I'm using exact match or next smaller item. Simply have to add here a little bit, and then it should be right. It was the exact match, causing an error. Okay, yeah, because it's the other way around, not smaller equals here. Fair. Determine the total algorithmic score for all birds on the same size of Lovebird rapids as the given Lovebird ID. This was not that easy, because to determine the site, you have basically something weird here with this channel. But I show you how I did it, or how I would approach it. So I would determine the site of Lovebird rabbit. So first, where is this and where is the other thing? So first the flatten map without optional distances. Oh, I should not have called this one. That was wrong. H 1, replace it with S. Okay. Flatten map. Make this flat. Wow. Huge maps cause errors, guys. Okay, it's B2. And you can also not see everything. Filter for blank values. And then when it's not S. And then I'm getting all the positions. And then I want to know if on the same, where the first S is appearing on the same row. So A1, make this on the same. So here index row number is given here, whole column, and then I want to xmatch the first S in here. And the first S is in 2 because no, there's something odd. Row 4. Yeah, it is. Yeah, okay. And therefore it's on the east side than on the west side. And when this is smaller than this, then it's east. Then it's east, otherwise it's west. Okay. Okay, let's say site xlookup of Lovebird ID, and here returning this. And if not found, let's make there n and for not on map. Okay. Let's do a data table. 5. Okay, Lovebird ID. XLOOKUP. Okay, yeah, that's the issue. Make this also a name. XLOOKUP this in Lovebird ID returning site. And then filter all the algo scores if site equals the same site. And it's a little bit too much because we have to exclude this here. So it's equals some and it's the same. Okay, should be running 81 100 B1 B4. So I'm doing here data table. Okay, a little bit slow. Okay, full power. Okay, calculate it. Let's hope that this is right. No. And that's the same. But it's not far, or at least this is not far away. This is far away, but God. Okay. It's sometimes not that far away and something is right. So, and it's always the same. It's always the same difference, which is interesting, which is super interesting. 28,704 for all the birds on the same side, excluding the given bird. So let's search here for 81. This is the I thought there was a magic answer to this, but it isn't. So these are all the birds, and it's to this minus this, so the second one is too high. Okay, I'm not sure why there's 28,704. Is there a bird with exact this algorithmic score? 28,704. Clear find format. There's one. Stevie Chicks. Stevie. 130. Okay. And I'm saying he's on AZ33. AZ33, which is on the east side of the river, which is right. But they're saying, what are they saying? 79 is on the east side too. On the east side too. And he is on the east side. Is there another bird with this ugly score? 28704. 28704. There's only one bird, and it's Stevie Chicks. North, east, and southwest. I have called it east and west. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Why? Is this always on one side? Because it might be that they have allocated this birdie on the wrong side. Because it's clearly on that side. Or have they? So the answer is here is larger. Why is it? Is that bird there 2 times? No. But how can it be larger when I'm including it? I have no idea. And I think that was the point where Fate also in the, or at least that was the point where Fate also in the live version of it. The question is why? Okay, let me quickly take a look at Dim's video. Okay, he has no time steps, which is not good. Okay, he's kind of using the same approach. Okay, he has no issues with level 5, but his level 5 looks a bit different. Is it the same level? I have not watched his video, which is not great for that one. Okay, his level 5 is different. Okay, what should I do? Okay, let's check if all those birds live on the same side. Because then it's something systematic, and yeah, always, not always, but most of the time when it's east, it's wrong, and it's wrong by the same amount. 28, that the provided answer is larger. It might also that I forgot about a score or something. This might also be an issue, because you might have something that is this times 2. Is there something how this could be? Again 70. This might be the issue. This might be the issue. Because here it should get a score factor of 2. And it is getting a score factor, noise factor of 1. I'm an idiot. Because this should be then this minus. Right. Okay, this is wrong. I have to check this. 70 is 182. Okay, get the spill. Error. Now I get 2. Okay, noise level is 70. 70 is 2. Oh, yeah. No, when this is exact match or no, this was right. When it's 70, it should be exact match or next smaller item, which is when it's 70, it's okay, let's how should we this border stuff? Okay, let me think for a second. When it's 100, I want to have this here. Exact match or next smaller item. Is this getting this here? When it's 70, it is getting 70. It is getting this here, which is wrong. Okay. Exact match or next smaller item. Now exact match or next larger item. This is 182. Is noise level of 100. And it is getting a score of 5. Which is wrong. Tim. That's cruel. I always thought, okay, it's always small or equal. Oh, so you cannot use XLOOKUP here. I have to use an if function. Oh, that's crucial. Oh, that's cruel. Oh, guys. Oh, that's... So if this is smaller than 70, then 1. Otherwise, if K3 is smaller than 90, then it's 2. Otherwise, if K3 is smaller or equal than 100, then it's 3. Otherwise, if smaller or equal 120, then it's 5. Otherwise, if larger 120, then it's 10. Otherwise, there's no otherwise. Close everything. Okay. Reference this. Level 4 is not right. Let's do level 5 again. 80, 100, B1, B4. That was cool. So to put like different smaller and equal signs in there is destroying using XLOOKUP, and I have not read properly to see this, and it is was only coming up on level 5. Boah. Okay, let's hope for the best. And now level 5 is matching. Okay, for the given Lovebird IDs. Okay, Davis. For the given Lovebird IDs, what is the name of the bird with the smallest absolute difference in algorithmic score? Filter haystack Lovebird ID and algo if sex is unequal to xlookup Lovebird IDs. Okay, so ID and algo, and here xlookup here in Lovebird ID returning algo. This minus this. No, I know where my lambda ID different minimum absolute difference is coming from. xlookup 0 in here returning okay, this is fine. This is drop 1 and this is fine. So xlookup 0 in here returning take first column match mode exact match on next smaller item, next larger item 163, and then we want to have the name. It's down here. Okay, 101, 120, B1, B4. Okay, calculated. Hopefully it's right. Yeah, it's right. Okay, very hard. Within a day's drive distance. Okay, let's copy. xlookup of take first column inside here returning the okay, and here we have the flight difference. Mice. Okay. For the given Lovebird IDs, what is the name of the bird opposite sex, smallest absolute difference within the days? Flight difference 1 mile by 1 mile, Pythagorean distance. I also want to know where this birdie is located. 7, example 7. BL12. CL22. Okay. Okay, stamina. Okay. X lookup in Lovebird ID stamina L7. Distance between cell references, cell reference 1, cell reference 2, particular variant distance, and we have it. Now, and then we need to delete this, filter this here if this is smaller than this. Yeah, of course, if error 10 to the power of 10, then it's large. Florence X lookup 0 in drop -1. 0 in not row but column. Goose Gossage. Is it right? Yeah. No. The answer should be scuttle. Huh. $25 should be within distance. I have 25. I'm an idiot. Drop first column minus this, and then ABS on this, and then look up in the difference, and it's got 121, 140, B1, B4. It should be all dynamic as far as I can see. So that should not be an issue. Okay, all right, bonus questions. I think we're over 30 minutes. Most likely. What is the total song ratio of all birds with A as the first letter? So sum filter SR if left name 1 equals A. How many square miles is Lovebird Rapids? To be fair, what is Lovebird Rapids exactly? Lovebird Rapids is this here, right? Yeah, it's this. Okay. How is it called? Macros. Count colors. 327. How many birds do not live on Lovebird Island? Profiles. Count if S. This is an M. 141. What couple within the level 7 answers would have the highest algorithmic score? Okay, level 6, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's look up this in name returning algo. Let's look up this in Lovebird ID returning algo. MECC is this here. This in Lovebird ID returning the gender F. So it's M148F102. Using level 6 rules. Okay. Using level 6 rules, how many golden couples exist across all Lovebirds? A golden couple occurs when two birds are each other's most compatible match. As an example, one. Across all of birds. Okay, so the smallest. Okay. Oh, okay. That's hard. Or not easy. Okay, so basically, we have to check for combinations. And we have here 40,000 combinations. Okay, only when it's unique. So split this. Make it a number. Hello, Spill. And sort by column. Wow. He's fighting. He's fighting. Okay, and then unique. And then this unequal to this. And And we have, is this necessary? Anyways, we have all combinations. Okay. What am I doing here? Okay. Okay, we have the algorithmic distance of this combination. And no, I should have done differently. Okay, so I have all IDs. And now I have the algorithmic score. Okay, and I have the algorithmic score, and I now need to X-match 0 in here, 165. And now for 165, it has to be the same. Oh, it's a perfect match, right? No, can't be. You never know. Let's look up this. And I know. The algorithmic score. Yes. And then yeah, it's the same. So equals this, which is true. It's quite often true, which is wrong. How far am I off? By a lot. Might it be double counting? Let's find out. Okay, I have my algorithmic score. Start score. And this is the perfect match for 1. One is 1/4. And this 2. So that's right. E5. So there. 50 minutes. Come on. They're the perfect match for each other, which is right. They're not the perfect match for each other. So I might double count. I know. Sort, not sum rating. Sort minus text split. This column, and then text join. And then filter. And unique. I'm closer, but I'm not there. I'm closer, but I'm not there. How many golden couples exist? Oh, different sex. Oopsie. And Lovebird ID. So okay, still double counting. I should not have deleted it. This and this. And then, sure, it's the third time. Sort minus text split. And then text join. Filter. This is 1. And then unique. 49. Yes. We've solved it. It's nearly 1 hour. Yeah, okay. So it isn't a hard case. A lot of things to compile. It's more medium, I would say. But this is a hard trap. A super hard trap. I think this was also the point on stage where I failed, because then I think I did level 5, kind of, but I had I think I saw here, was not matching because of this. This is cool. This is really cool. But yeah, it's fair. Reading is something you should be able to when doing Excel esports. Anyways, I hope I see the case next year. And also to you, David, no age limit and no participation limit, please. At least for 1 year, not. Yeah. But anyways, hope to see you in the next video. Bye.